The title of Aare Onakakanfo was introduced hundreds of years ago to the Yoruba country by the king Ajegbo, who ruled over 700 years ago. The introduction of the title was informed by the need to fortify the ancient pre-colonial army of the old Oyo Empire, which at one time could boast of over 100,000 horsemen. In recent times, the selection seems to have been informed by other considerations, the chief of which is the acceptability of the leader among a large section of the people of the Southwest, and such a leader being accepted as worthy Yoruba leadership by other nationalities in Nigeria. Aare Onakakanfo is a king to a field marshal and is conferred upon the greatest soldier and tactician of the day by virtue of his office. He is to go to war once in 3 years to whatever place the king named, and dead or alive, to return home a victor or be brought home corpse within 3 months. Kakanfo usually has certain ensigns, the ojijiko, and a cap made of the red feathers of the parrot's tail, with a projection behind reaching as far down as the waist, an apron of leopard skin to sit on, always the accessor or pigtail, and the staff invisible. Dignitaries from all walks of life grace the events of the installation of the 15th Aare Onakakanfo, including senators, governors, traditional rulers, and chiefs. They all describe the new Aare Onakakanfo, Otunba Gani Adams, as the good choice and has the charisma to hold the office.
I feel good. I haven't been able to witness the coronation of two Aare Onakakanfo, that of Akitola and that of MK Abiola. So I feel very good that Aare Onakakanfo is being installed today. I don't forget that Gani Adams has been doing the job he's been given today. He's been there. It's just for him to Alaafin just to say thank you as a Yoruba son, and for him to do more. He has been using his position as the coordinator of the Youth Congress to promote our culture and to promote Yorubaland.
This is a new beginning. It will usher in progress, stability, and provide employment that is needed to save the ordinary man on the street. The tossing and turning of economic mismanagement. I believe that this is the beginning of a new age.
We love him too. I have to congratulate the Alaafin for making it possible today. Aare is still the same. It's powerful. To be Aare, you have to be powerful. Everybody has to know you, especially in Yoruba. And we know him, he's very powerful, and he's going to move Yoruba race forward. And that's why we're all supporting him.
In my lifetime, I can witness an opportunity and highly honor to witness this occasion of installation of Aare Onakakanfo of Yorubaland.
The day was filled with fun as the traditional dance group thrilled the guests.
This is almost not cultural true.
Aare Onakakanfo, Otunba Gani Adams, while giving a speech, said there cannot be a more humbling occasion for him as the one they are doing. Against the backdrop of the size of the office, the Iku Baba Yeye, His Imperial Majesty, the Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Olayiwola Atonda Adeyemi III, has bestowed on him and the larger-than-life image of his predecessors. His installation as the 15th Aare Onakakanfo is the challenge that has made all challenges seem like a child's play. High point of the event was the pronouncement and installation of the 15th Aare Onakakanfo of Yorubaland.
kò bàjẹ́ o lásìkò tèmi ló jẹ́ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Eku ó ké bí eku, kí ẹyẹ tó ké bí ẹyẹ, àpòrú ilé kó bìtìbìtì rẹ̀, àgọ̀ tí ò bí kó tọwọ́ àlàbò sùn, ó kún má wọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Àìgbọ́ra ẹni yé kó dókè lọ́tẹ̀lẹ̀ ìlú lọ. Ìdùnnú ayérayé kó wọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Gbogbo àwọn tí a fi ṣe lórí kọ́ ní àlùbáríkà. Kí àwọn ọba wa kọ́ bẹ̀ sí ní àlùbáríkà. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lórígun mẹ́rin àgbáyé kọ́ bẹ̀ sí ní àlùbáríkà. Kígbà tèmi ó tulẹ̀ Yorùbá lára.
Otunba Gani Adams was born on the 30th April 1970 at Akoko, Northwest Ondo State. He is a Nigerian social activist and a politician. Gani is the leader of the faction of the Oodua People Congress, a nationalist organization based in Nigeria. On October 14, 2017, Adams was declared as the 15th Aare Onakakanfo of Yorubaland by Oba Adeyemi III, the Alaafin of Oyo.